Saludos. Welcome to another episode of The Wandering Broker. I am your host, 𝚂𝙴𝙸𝚂𝙾𝙳, the broker of record for Linda Vista Real Estate down in Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, and my co-host, 𝚂𝙴𝙸𝙸𝚂𝙾𝙳, the phenomenal lender. What's going on, 𝚂𝙴𝙸𝙑? How you doing?
Doing good. How are you?
I am great. Awesome. I am ready to tackle the world.
Yes.
Go get what's mine, man. My family and I took some time off. We traveled a little bit and, enjoy ourselves. Enjoy each other, being present, and just lots of conversations with the children, grandparents, in-laws. It was
This
phenomenal.
is great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's up with you?
Oh, listen, I hope to be doing what you're doing shortly. This is summer. This is where we're supposed to do that and
That's
have
right.
a good time
That's right.
and get it all done.
So today topic of discussion is jumbo loans. Why do we need them? Let's jump right in. Why do we need them?
First of all, do we all know what a jumbo loan is?
No, I don't.
Okay, what that is that is a mortgage amount, okay, a mortgage loan provided by your lender that exceeds the conventional conforming limit. So believe it or not, there is a limit to how much Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac has said that you can lend from a lender for a mortgage. So FHA has a certain limit based on your area, county. Conventional does. Conventional's limit is $647,200, okay? Above that mortgage amount, you are considered to have a jumbo mortgage. A jumbo mortgage is considered to be above that limit and does require for your lender to structure it a little different. For that, what does your home typically look like for a jumbo loan? That all depends on your area.
Yes.
All right. We're all of Delaware, right?
Mm-hmm.
So right now we're at the beach, but if you go to Wilmington, a jumbo mortgage on a home may look like a different type of home, but typically it's a home that's going to have quite a bit to it, right?
Luxury.
A luxury home.
Okay. So, question for you. So, I'm just saying. So, if the home is, let's say, $850,000, right,
Mm-hmm.
and I am utilizing some of my own funds, let's say $400,000, would that still be called a jumbo loan?
Okay, so if you're going to put $400,000 down on an $800,000 home, that leaves you with a remaining mortgage of $400,000. Okay, so your $400,000 mortgage amount is not considered a jumbo loan.
Understood.
Okay, because you're only lending from us the amount after you have applied your down payment.
Fair. So, are there any specific benefits of utilizing the jumbo loan?
Yes, because at the end of the day, do you want to spend $700,000 of your own money on purchasing that home, or would you like to leverage yourself and actually obtain a mortgage? There are benefits to doing that because, one, you don't deplete your assets doing that, all right? You can leverage yourself by taking on the mortgage, but you do need to know what are the requirements. It's a little different than an FHA mortgage, a typical conventional mortgage, a VA mortgage, and so on. You do have to have strong credit. Okay, you want to hit, I'm not saying a specific number, but you want to at least be at the 700 range, all right?
Understood.
You need to be strong. You want to at least try to come in at the 700 range. You do have to have assets, reserves. What are reserves? Reserves means you have so many mortgage payments set aside. Typically, you want to come in at least, you want to have in your mind, you want to at least, when you go to your lender, at least have 6 months reserves, mortgage reserves. So whatever your mortgage payment is going to be, you want to have 6 months of that in the bank. Your lender will tell you if you need more to qualify, but you want to at least, these are some of the things you want to think about. Do I have 6 months mortgage payments set aside after my down payment and my closing costs? Meaning that my down payment, my closing costs, I have this, but even after that, I have this much sitting in the bank for mortgage payments if I should need it, all right? Then your debt to income, your debt versus your income needs to be lower, all right? Like say, for instance, FHA will go all the way up to a 56.99, all right? Conventional, depending on how strong your credit is, you can go up to a 50. But you want to be near a lower range around 45 on a jumbo, which means you want to be strong as far as your savings, your assets. You want to be strong as far as your credit. You want to show the ability to carry this jumbo mortgage, meaning you are loaning more than the conforming rate the limit. So you want to go prepared and show that you're at that level to take on this weight. Because if you're not, what it really is, it's a weight.
Yeah. So I do have a question. So going back to the reserves, does it have to be cure? Is there a time how long does that money needs to be in the bank before we even talk about getting the loan?
Typically, so that you don't have any worries, so that you you feel okay. You always want to have your assets, your funds seasoned for a period of time. What does that mean? You don't want to just put that deposit in the bank tomorrow and then, then go apply for your mortgage the day after. You typically want to have it seasoned for at least 2 months, even a little longer if you can. But at least at 2 months, when a lender reviews your application, they can look at it and say, okay, you've had it for some time. They'll let you know if you need anything more. But as far as making an immediate deposit, then to say, oh, I'm going to go buy my home after that, now that I have the funds, you want to have it seasoned, meaning you want to at least have 2 bank statement cycles with those funds sitting in your account. If anything's longer, anything's needed from there, and sometimes your lender is good about telling you what more we need to do to make this happen.
Understood. So if someone wants to get a hold of you, right, because we can talk about jumbo loans is like going down a rabbit hole. You can talk about this forever.
Yes.
So 𝚂𝙂, if someone wants to get a hold of you, how can they do that? Because talking about jumbo loans, you could talk about that forever.
Yes.
How do they do that?
Okay. I would love to talk with you, 302-824-8587. I'm again with Tidewater Mortgage Services, and we would love to help.
And if you are thinking about selling or buying, feel free to give our office a call at 302-313-1600. 302-313-1600. May you have a phenomenal day.